Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing well. You might be wondering, why are we in your bathroom? Today's gonna be a different video and I'm gonna be sharing with you my other passion in life. So my other passion is hair, and I apologize about the echo because obviously we are in my bathroom. I was kindly sent hair from CURLSQUEEN. I hope you can see that with how bright my video is right now. So we're gonna be unboxing it together and then we're gonna be installing it into my head top. I know I've got like these jumbo braids in right now, but I am gonna take them out. Today's kind of hair is clip-ins, guys, which is, ooh, we've got a gift. In this little bag, there's a Tangle teaser style comb. We've got a bonnet. I just feel like you can never have too many bonnets. And then they've got like, I'm guessing it's just some additional clips just in case you need them. So the hair came in this little duster bag, which I appreciate. And it's also in that little like net. Looks like I'm gonna need a scissors. So the hair is supposed to match my natural hair texture. I am a 4C babe with a little bit of heat damage. I went for 18 inches, but look at the hair. That is definitely going to match my texture like beautifully. This is what the clip-ins look like. So this particular weft has 3 clips in it, and we've got 2 of this size. Then we've got this size, which is a little bit like smaller in size. We've got these 2 much smaller ones. Those probably like go in here. And then we've got another 2 of these. And that should be enough for my whole head. And I'm really excited to actually pop them into my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out these jumbo braids and come back and show you the process of clipping in my clip-ins. So I've taken out my braids and my hair is in this lovely stretch state, which I feel like will be perfect for me to start putting in the clip-ins. I think I want to go for like a nice big afro type look. So I'm gonna start off with the back of my head and I'm just gonna open a line with my fingers. The great thing about clip-ins is that parting your hair for it doesn't need to be perfect, and also you can do this yourself and it doesn't even take that long. So I've parted off that section and I'm just gonna pop this hair up just like this. The clip-in for that section I'm gonna use is gonna be this size. I feel like this would be the perfect size. I'm just gonna use my brush to just brush it out a little bit, just so that it's a little less defined and it matches my blown out 4C hair texture a little bit better. Now it probably looks like a little afro. I'm gonna open up those clips and I'm gonna do the center one first, followed by this one, followed by this one. Now I'm just gonna blend my hair in with the clip-in extensions. Just a little bit, and then I'm gonna move on to the next section. I'm opening up a line again. I'm not even using my comb, to be honest, it's just there for fashion. I'm grabbing that same size clip again. Gonna open up all those clips, and again, that center one first. Just find this easier. Comb that into the hair, clip it down. Comb this one into the hair, clip it down. Comb this one in and clip it down. Ooh! It's giving body. Loving it so far. Now I am gonna start working my way around to the front. So the line I'm opening is gonna stretch all the way to the front, and I definitely need to clip this hair away. And this is what it looks like from the back. So say if I wanted to do like a half up, half down hairstyle, I could. I'd probably leave it at like this. So I'm just blending in my actual hair. So you literally can't tell which is which. For the next clip, I'm gonna go for this much longer one. This one has got 5 clips in it. So again, opening up all those clips and starting with that center clip, clipping that in, moving over to the side and clipping that in. Just look how flat that is laying. Gonna go ahead and do the other side. Just gonna brush it out a little bit. Now we're reaching the top of my head. And what I'm doing is just, I'm bringing some of this hair down and just blending it a little bit. Because obviously I want all those clip-ins to be like nicely covered. I don't want you to be able to tell that I've got clip-ins in. As you can see, you can't even see the clip-in, but I am gonna add one of the smaller ones just in that section. And then grab my hair and just cover that up. How good is that looking? Oh my goodness. Now for the back here, I'm just trying to fix the back because I do want like a middle part in. So I'm just opening like a little section here just to mark out where my middle part in is going to start. So this is where my middle part in is going to start. I'm just going to twist that out of the way. This section, I'm going to pull this section forward. And I'm gonna grab one of those smaller clips and pop that in that section here. So I'm popping these open and in they go. What I love about clip-ins is the fact that, you know, you're just assessing as you go along how much body you want your hair to have. Now we're gonna move over to the other side and just basically match what we did on this side. So again, I'm opening a line like this. I'm gonna add one clip on this side just so I can either wear it as a side parting or a middle parting. Just need to make sure that this front bit is covering. Then obviously this part can come down. Now technically I can afford to put another clip here. Let's try it out. This one will need to lay like flat. And there we go. Now I can bring out my parting. And I just need to open a small line here. Just to cover that clip in. And then here, we're just gonna open my middle parting. And just blend everything in. I could even play around with it and bring bits to the front. And move the hair over to the side, which I think actually is my preferred look. You guys can't tell me that this is not my hair. You can't. And the great thing about clip-ins is that you can add less, you can add more, you can manipulate like where you want it to be. I'm left with these two, which is insane because look how full the hair is. So I'm gonna have CURLSQUEEN linked in my description and in my pinned comment, and you can click it and shop these clip-in hair extensions. I went for the texture 4B4C and these are in 18 inches, and I just feel like it just adds the perfect amount of length and volume to my hair. I do have a discount code and I'll be popping that up on the screen. But yeah, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video and you've seen another side of me and my other passion, which is hair. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my very next video.